What's up guys and gals, welcome to Cash Mojo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $5,000 per month online from each of the 10 YouTube channel niches. Be sure to stick around until number 1 because this channel idea is one of the most profitable ones I've ever come across. Be sure to like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon notification for more videos like this one. Now grab a snack, get ready to take notes, and let's get started. A lot of people think YouTube is oversaturated, but nothing could be further from the truth. YouTube is the second largest and most visited website in the world. YouTube has 2.3 billion active users or more coming to the platform each and every day. There is so much money that you can make on YouTube and the opportunities are endless. That's why I'm giving you 10 YouTube channel ideas that can make you $5,000 or more each month. So here's a head start and here we go. Number 10, meal planning channel. Starting a meal planning YouTube channel is a great way to help people save time and make money while still eating healthy. You can use it to share your recipes, tips, and tricks, and even host cooking challenges. Plus, it's a great way to connect with other home cooks who are looking for new ideas. Best of all, you can start small and grow your channel at your own pace. Meal planning can be daunting, but with a little organization and some creative thinking, it can be easy and fun. The key to successful meal planning is to find recipes that are easy to make and that can prepare in advance. Blowing up pictures of each recipe and posting them on the fridge is a great way to stay on track. Another tip is to batch cook items like rice or quinoa so they're ready to go for the week. Finally, don't forget to have some fun with it. Add some personal touches to your channel and make it your own. Starting a meal planning YouTube channel is a great way to help people save time and money while still eating healthy. With a little organization and some creative thinking, anyone can do it. Number 9, start a garden YouTube channel. A lot of people have taken up gardening as a hobby during the pandemic. If you're one of them and you're looking for ways to improve your gardening skills, why not start a YouTube channel? It's a great way to share your love of gardening with others, and you might be able to make some money from it. Plus, it's a fun way to document your progress and show off your hard work. Here are a few things to keep in mind if you're thinking about starting a gardening YouTube channel. First, choose a focus of your channel. Are you going to garden for fun or do you want to turn it into a business? If you're just starting out, it might be best to keep things casual. You can always get more serious about it later on. Second, come up with a catchy name and logo for your channel. This will help you stand out from the rest and make people remember your brand. Third, invest in some quality equipment. A good camera is essential for making great videos. Fourth, be patient and don't give up if you don't see results right away. Just keep putting out quality content and eventually people will start to notice. Starting a gardening YouTube channel is a great way to go if you're passionate about plants and gardening. Number 8, gaming. The gaming industry is booming and there are more opportunities than ever before. If you have a knack for video games, then starting your own YouTube channel might be just what it takes to share the fun with everyone else. You can use your channel to share your favorite games, tips, and tricks, and let your personality shine through. Plus, with a little hard work and dedication, you can build a following of loyal fans who will watch your videos and support your content. So if you're ready to take your gaming to the next level, read on for some tips on how to start a successful gaming YouTube channel. The first step is to choose the right platform. If you're serious about building a following, you'll need to be active on both YouTube and Twitch. While YouTube is great for longer form content, Twitch is perfect for live streaming. As a result, you'll need to create content for both platforms in order to reach the widest audience possible. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to start creating content. If you're not sure where to start, try highlighting your favorite games and sharing some helpful tips and tricks. Be consistent and you might see some great results. Number 7, fashion. Have you ever wished you could be a fashion blogger or YouTuber? If so, starting a fashion YouTube channel may be the perfect way to turn your passion for fashion into a successful online business. While it may seem like creating fashion content requires expensive cameras and designer clothes, the truth is that all you need is a smartphone and some creative ideas. To get started, simply choose a theme for your channel and start filming videos. Many fashion YouTubers focus on hauls, outfits of the day posts, or styling tips, but you can film whatever type of content you think your viewers will enjoy. Once you have a few videos under your belt, promoting your channel on social media and other platforms will help you attract new viewers and grow your audience. So if you're interested in starting your own fashion YouTube channel, all you need is a camera, some great clothes, and a whole lot of confidence. Who knows, you might just become the next big thing in fashion. Number 6, weight loss. If you're looking to start a weight loss YouTube channel, there are a few things you'll need to do in order to be successful. First, you'll need to find your niche. You can do this by thinking about what type of weight loss journey you want to share with your audience. Are you looking to lose a lot of weight? Are you trying to eat healthier? Are you looking to get in shape? Once you figure out your niche, you'll need to start creating content. This could be anything from vlogs, documenting your weight loss journey, to workout videos, to cooking videos. Remember, the key is to be consistent and engaging with your audience. Finally, make sure to promote your channel on social media and other platforms. Focus on creating content that is helpful and informative. There's no need to be super serious all the time. Have some fun with it. However, do make sure to provide your viewers with useful tips and tricks for losing weight. And be sure to build up a solid base of followers before you start promoting any products or services. You want your viewers to trust you and feel like they are part of a community. So don't be afraid to experiment. Try new things and see what works best for you and your audience. The more people that know about your channel, the more successful it will be. Number 5. Personal finance. Anyone who's ever looked for advice on personal finance knows that it can be hard to find reliable information. Fortunately, there's a new breed of financial experts who are using YouTube to share their knowledge with the world. If you are considering starting your own personal finance YouTube channel, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, focus on creating quality content that will actually be helpful to your viewers. Avoid promising quick fixes or making grandiose claims. Instead, offer thoughtful analysis and concrete advice. Second, keep your videos short and to the point. People have short attention spans, and they're not likely to watch a long video unless it's truly compelling. Finally, be sure to promote your channel regularly. The more viewers you have, the more likely you are to build a following. Not only will you be able to share your tips and tricks with a wide audience, but you'll also be able to connect with other like-minded people. Plus, if you build up a large enough following, you can even make some extra money through sponsorships and advertisements. With these tips in mind, you can start sharing your financial wisdom with the world. Number 4, dropshipping tutorials. Teaching people how to dropship on YouTube is a great way to make some extra money. You can create videos on any number of topics related to dropshipping, from choosing a product to sell to setting up your store. The key is to provide valuable information that will help your viewers learn more about the dropshipping process. In addition, you can also include affiliate links in your videos, which will give you a commission on any sales that are generated. There are tons of videos on YouTube about dropshipping, but starting your own channel can seem like a daunting task. The first step is to come up with a niche for your channel. Do you want to focus on e-commerce tips, product reviews, or something else entirely? Once you've decided on a niche, the next step is to start creating videos. Don't worry, if you don't have any fancy equipment, a simple webcam and microphone will do the trick. The most important thing is to provide valuable content that your viewers will appreciate. Finally, be sure to promote your channel on social media and other platforms. With a little effort, you can build a successful teaching dropshipping YouTube channel. If you're interested in teaching people how to dropship, then starting a YouTube channel is a great way to get started. Number 3, become a vlogger. Making and posting videos on YouTube can be a great way to share your interests and feelings with the world. You can start a vlog or a video blog in which you discuss your day, thoughts, or experiences. Alternatively, you can create educational content or review products. No matter what type of video you make, there are a few things to keep in mind when starting a YouTube channel. First, be sure to post regularly so that your audience knows when to expect new content. Second, engage with your viewers by responding to comments and questions. Finally, be yourself and have fun. If you enjoy making videos, your enthusiasm will shine through and attract viewers. With these tips in mind, you can start creating videos that will engage and entertain your audience. Number 2, project manager. As a project manager, you're used to being in control of everything. But what happens when you're suddenly thrust into the world of working from home? It can be a challenge to maintain the same level of productivity, especially if you have young children or pets running around. But there are a few things you can do to set yourself up for success. First, make sure you have a dedicated workspace that is away from any distractions. Second, create a daily routine and stick to it as much as possible. Finally, stay in communication with your team and maintain regular check-ins. By following these tips, you'll be able to successfully manage your projects from the comfort of your own home. Before we get to number 1, be sure to like and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And also, if you're serious about starting a YouTube channel, we have the number 1 YouTube course that will teach you how to automate your YouTube channel and scale your business. So if you're serious, click the link in the description to get started now. Number 1, the affiliate marketing niche. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, affiliate marketing is a great option. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitors or customers brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. If you can start an affiliate marketing tutorial YouTube channel to help people learn about this type of marketing and how to do it, You can provide tips, tricks, and advice on everything from choosing the right affiliate program to setting up campaigns. What's great about affiliate marketing is that it's relatively easy to get started, and there's a lot of potential for earning money. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, starting an affiliate marketing tutorial YouTube channel could be the perfect option for you. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos from making money online, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.